Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install. Now click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.